If you want to change the background in the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, in the case of the Google Messages app, unfortunately it is not possible to change the background. This app simply does not have the option, at least right now, that would allow you to change the appearance of the background of your chats. So what you can do instead is you can use the Samsung Messages app, which you can get from the Galaxy Store, for example. If you go over here and you can of course start searching. You can type Samsung Messages. There we go. In order to get the app, and of course once you install it, you want to open it. You will have to set it up, but you just have to follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. You want to make sure that this app is set as the default messaging app. And there we go. Now in here we should be able to, of course, create a new conversation or something, or you can just go into any of the chats that you already have. In order to change the background, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have customize chat room. In here we can apply a color, or you can tap on the gallery icon in order to choose a photo from your gallery or an image, and just move around, adjust it, and you can decide how the background should look like. Of course, we can adjust the bubble opacity. We can also toggle the text contrast in here, adjust it a little bit, and then we can just exit these settings unless you want to apply this background for all chats that you have in the app. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.